We'll start with next exercise of volume surface area of solid with the shape cylinder. If you had already you already know what is cylinder. Cylinder is a vessel in which we have circular base and top. Top and the base is made up of circular shape and we have side surface. If you will just go through this, this is the base which is in the circle shape. Top is also in the circle shape. So that is why we say it as right circular cylinder. And side surface is a wall of the vessel. So if you just see, if you cut this cylinder, what you will get? You will get a rectangular paper whose this length we can say as 2 pi r because it is equal to the circular base, and this is what height. So curved volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is area of circle. Pi r square is the area of circle into height. This is what height, इधर से इधर तक, this is height. And curved surface area is the only side surface. Lateral surface is the one which we say in cube and cuboid. Lateral means side surface. So here we say curved surface area. CSA stands for curved surface area and TSA stands for total surface area. Okay, so CSA is 2 pi r h. TSA total surface area will be 2 pi r h. You can take side surface, and we have two cylindrical part. See, one is green, it's over here, and another is this. Two circular parts, so we can say area of two circle. So taking out 2 pi r common, we will get h plus r. This is the total surface area of cylinder. Now we will talk about hollow cylinder. Actually, hollow cylinder is in the 10th standard syllabus, but still I will explain you what is hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder का volume only we will discuss. Just like keyboard में we had done hollow box, which was open as well as close. See, the one which I had shaded it off, that is the material. Green one is made up of material. That inside part is empty. So if you see, this is inside radius and this is outside radius. So इसका volume of hollow cylinder is equal to outer volume. Outer radius को I can say as capital R, smaller radius को I can say as small r. Height is common in both of them. Means it has just a thickness. It's a hollow pipe. So we can say pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. So taking out pi h common, you will get capital R square minus small r square. That's the volume of hollow cylinder. Last 3-4 sums is there in your syllabus. That's it. in your text this questions. Rest all is related to circle. You have to learn main three formulas: volume of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, total surface. Curved surface means only side surface. Total surface means side surface as well as top and the bottom of the circle of the cylinder, that is area of circle. We'll start with exercise 11b. First question is find the volume of cylinder whose height is 42 centimeter and base radius is 10 centimeter. तो let first you should memorize volume of cylinder का formula. तो volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi की value is 22/7 if not stated. Otherwise, if stated that pi is 3.14, so you can take 3.14. Whenever it is stated, then you can take. Otherwise, take 22/7. Radius is 10 and height is 42. So we will cancel out 7 ones are 7 6 are. So 22 into 6. So this 22 into 6 is 132. And then 10 into 10 is 100. So into 100. So therefore volume will become. So therefore volume of cylinder is equal to 13200 centimeter cube. Main question number second. Sorry, main question number first का second. Here diameter is given 70 centimeter. So therefore you can find radius is equal to 35 centimeter and height of the cylinder is given as 20 centimeter. So here what we will do, we need again volume only. So we will put volume का formula, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So that is 22/7 into r, 35 into 35 into 20. So we will cancel out 7 ones are 7 5s are. So now multiplication is 22 into 5. First this 22 into 5. So that is 110 into 35 into 20, that is 700. So 77,000 centimeter cube. Height is 20 meter. Oh, I did error. Height is 20 meter. So wait, let me convert. 20 meter को I can convert into centimeter. That is 2000 centimeter. So here two zeros will increase. That is centimeter cube. Now if you want, you can convert into meter cube also. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So therefore 1 meter cube is equal to 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. So you have to divide by 6 zeros. So therefore volume, if you want in meter cube, that is 77,000,000 divided by 100 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5 6, one more zero. So we can cancel out 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Only left is 77 upon 10, that is 7.7 meter cube. If you want to convert into meter cube, then you can do. Otherwise this answer is also fine. Main question number second. We have to find curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder whose radius is 14 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. So first we can write CSA का formula. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. So just substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 30. So we can cancel out 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 44 into 14 twos are 28. Oh, so it's only 14 into 30. That is into 60. So we can write 44 into 60 is 2640 centimeter square. Now TSA of cylinder. The formula is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. We can write 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into 14 plus 30. 7 ones are 7 twos are will get cancelled. 44 into 2 into 30 plus 14 is 44. So 88 into 44 is equal to 3872 centimeter square. Main question number 2 ka second is also same. You have to find CSA and TSA whose radius is given as 21 centimeter and height is given as 35 centimeter. So you can write CSA of cylinder as 2 pi r h. So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21 into height is 35. So 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 22 into 6, 132 into 35. So 132 into 35, if you multiply, what you will get? 4620 centimeter square. Now next is TSA, unit TSA of cylinder. That is 2 pi r plus h. So we can write 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is given as 21 into bracket again 21 plus h is given as 35. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So multiplying this, what you are getting? 22 into 2 is 44 into 3 into 56. So isko you will multiply that, you will get 132 into 56. So therefore total surface area of cylinder is equal to 7392 centimeter square. Hope you had understood how to just substitute and solve. You have to memorize formula. Question number 3, find volume, curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder whose diameter is 14 centimeter. So therefore radius is equal to 7 centimeter. We can write radius is half of diameter. Height is 60 centimeter. The first part we will find volume. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. That is pi की value. Let us write it down. 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7 into 60. You can cancel out 7 7. 22 into 7, 154 into 60. That is equal to 9240 centimeter cube. You can just multiply and check. Second part में we have to find CSA. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. So we can write that is equal to 2 into substitute value of r 7 into height is 60. 7 7 will get cancelled. So 44 into 60. 44 into 60 is 264, 2640 centimeter square. And third part में we have to find total surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r plus h. So we can write 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 into r7 plus h, that is 60. 7 cancel, so 44 into 67, which is equal to 2948 centimeter square. Hope you had understood how to put values into the formula and solve. Find the weight of the solid cylinder whose radius is r is 10.5 centimeter and height is 60 centimeter. Given that 1 centimeter cube का weight is 5 gram. So this is called density. So whenever they want weight, so we can use density multiplied by volume, which will give me weight of the cylinder. So here first we will find volume of cylinder. That is equal to pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r is 10.5 into 10.5 into h is 60. So you can cancel out 7 ones are 7, 1.5. So if you multiply 22 with 1.5, you will get 33. 10.5 को if you will multiply with 60, you will get 630. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके 20790 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Now we have to find weight. So weight of cylinder is equal to whatever volume multiply by 5 gram. So that is 103950 gram, which is equal to 103.95 kg. Question number 5th. 2200 brass of centimeter cube of brass is drawn into the cylindrical wire of diameter 0.5 centimeter. Find the length of the wire. See, wire is in the form of cylinder whose circular part is very small, and it is, see, this is the wire. It's ki jo, that is, this is called the length. Its length is too much. Okay, wire बहुत बड़ा होता है, उसका only cylindrical part है, तो wire is always considered as a cylinder with a circular base. So diameter is 0.5 centimeter, so we can say it's 1 by 2 centimeter. तो रेडियस के लिए we will do 1 by 2 divide by 2, that is 1 by 4 centimeter radius. उसकी length you have to find, that is height of the cylinder. Length of the wire is equal to height of the cylinder, and volume is 2200 centimeter cube. So we can use volume का formula and we can find length. So volume of wire, that is cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. So this is 2200, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r is what, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into h. So let us not cancel now. So we will find h is equal to 2200 into 7, this 7 4 4, it will get crossed upon 22. So 22 ones are 22 into 100. So therefore height of the wire is 7 into 16, that is 112 into 100 centimeter. So you can write it as 112 meters. So therefore length of wire is equal to 112 meter. Question number 6. A cylindrical tank has the capacity of 6160 meter cube. Capacity means volume. Volume is equal to 6160 meter cube. Find its depth. Depth means height you have to find, whose radius is 14 meter. Also find the cost of painting its curved surface area at a rate of 30 rupees per meter square. So first let us find height. तो वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला is pi r square h is equal to 6160. We can write 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into 14 into height is equal to 6160. You can cancel 7 ones are 7 twos are. So therefore height will be 6160 upon 2 into 22 into 14. So let us cancel out. We can cancel with 11. 11 twos are, 11 fives are, 11 six are, 11 0. 14 ones are 14 into 40. 2 twos are 4, 4 tens are 40. So it is 10 meter. So therefore height is 10 meter. So therefore I can write depth of tank is equal to 10 meter. Now we have to find CSA, curved surface area. Then only we can find cost of painting. Curved surface area of tank, that is 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is what? Radius. Radius is 14 into height is 30. Sorry, height we had already found as 10. So cancelling this, 7 ones are 7 twos are, 22 into 2 44 into 2 88, 880 meter square. This is what curved surface area. Now cost. Cost of painting is equal to 880 into cost is 30 rupees per. So that is 880 into 30. 0 0 8 3 are 24 2 26. So it is rupees 26,400. So therefore cost of painting is 26,400 rupees. Question number 7 is an important question in which we have given curved surface area CSA of cylinder is given as 4400 centimeter square and its circumference of the base. See, base means ये वाला base, circle. If you are talking about a cylinder, तो इसका base is always circle shape. This is a circle shape. Its circumference is given. तो इसका circumference का formula is equal to 2 pi r, because circumference of circle is 2 pi r. You had learned that. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 110. So if you just solve circumference को, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 110. So therefore we can get r is equal to 110 into 7 upon 44. 11 fours are 11 tens are, 2 twos are 2 fives are. So you will get r as 35 by 2, that is 17.5 centimeter. But we don't want r, we want height and volume. To find volume we will be requiring radius. So here what we will do, here we will first write CSA ka formula. CSA is 2 pi r h. 2 CSA is given as 4400. Out of that we know this 2 pi r. 2 pi r is already given as a circumference, that I can write as 110 into h. So therefore h is equal to 440 upon 110, that is 4 centimeter. 40 I think so, 40 centimeter. So we got height. Now we want volume. So we can write volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So volume is 22/7 into r की value is, we found out, I can write 35/2 only, into height is 40. So 7 ones are 7 fives are 2 twos are 4, 4 tens are. So 22 into 5 is 110, into 35 into 10 is 350. So 38500 centimeter cube. This question is also an important question. Mark it as very important question, in which CSA is given. CSA of cylinder is given, that is 2 pi r h, that is equal to 264, and volume of cylinder is given, that is pi r square h, that is equal to 924. We have to find diameter as well as height of the pillar. So what we will do, we will divide both ratio. If you had this type of question, just memorize, you have to divide both ratio. So we can write pi r square h upon 2 pi r h is equal to 924 upon 264. You can just divide it out so that you can cancel pi and pi, h and h, r and r you can cancel out. Even इसको you can cancel, you will get either 2 either 7. If you just cancel out, you will get simplest form as 2 by 7/2. So I can write therefore r upon 2 is equal to 7/2. So I got r की value as 7 centimeter. Now we will substitute this 7 in any of the equation. I will prefer CSA. So I can write 2 pi r h is equal to 264. So 2 into 22/7 into 7 into h is equal to 264. 7 will get cancelled. So therefore h is equal to 264 upon 44, that is equal to 6. It is meter, so I can write meter over here. So therefore I want diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 times radius, that is equal to 2 into 7, which is 14 centimeter, and height is 6. Sorry, again I wrote centimeter, it is meter. Height is 6 meter. Hope this part is clear. Some important sums you have to just keep on revising so that you can memorize this method, and this same question you will find it in 10th standard also. This sum is also an important question. Here total surface area of solid cylinder is given. TSA is given as 462 centimeter square, and its curved surface area is equal to 1/3 of total surface area. So that is 1/3 into 462. You can cancel it out. 3 ones are 3, 154. So therefore I can say CSA is 154 centimeter square. Now we want volume of cylinder. To find volume we need radius and height. So what I will do, I can write TSA. We know TSA of cylinder is what? इसका formula is 2 pi r plus h as a short form, but if you open bracket you will get 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If you just open it out, इसको, so this is what curved surface area, and this is area of base, and this is area of base, and top area of circle. So I can write TSA as 462 is equal to 2 pi r square plus 154, because 2 pi r h is given as 154. Here see 2 pi r h CSA is given as 154. So I will just shift 462 minus 154 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. So इसको subtract करके you will get 308. You can cross multiply 7 upon 44 is equal to r square. So therefore r square is equal to, we can cancel out 44 ones are 44, 7s are, r square is 49. Therefore r is equal to 7 centimeter. We got r. Now we will substitute that r in CSA. So it will become 2 pi r h is equal to 154. We can write 2 into 22 by 7 into r. 7 into h is equal to 154. 7 will get cancelled. So therefore h is equal to 154 upon 2 into 22. 11 2s are, 11 1s are, 11 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are. You can get 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. Now we will find volume. Volume is pi r square h. So we can write volume of cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into r. 7 into 7 into h is 3.5. 7 cancel. 154 into 3.5. You can just write it down. Where 3.5 I can write, we can write it down as 22 into 7 into 7 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 11. So 11 into 49, that is 539 centimeter cube. Question number 10 is also an important question. The sum of radius of base and height of the cylinder is 37. So r plus h is 37 meter. If the total surface area of the cylinder TSA is given as 1628 meter square, you have to find volume. To find volume we need radius and height. With a given condition we can find. So first we'll write TSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. So that is 1628 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Sorry, इसका formula is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r plus h. So into 7 into r plus h is given as 37. So what we will do, we cannot cancel anything, we will just cross multiply. So r is equal to 1628 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 37. So just cancel out. 2 1s are 2, 8, 1, 4. We can cancel with 11. 11 2s are, 11 7s are, 11 4s are 74. 37 2s are 74. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. Now once you get r, you can substitute in first in this part. R plus h is equal to 37 centimeter. So this is also written as meter. So therefore r की value 7 plus h is equal to 37. So therefore h is equal to 30 meter. We get h as well as radius. So now we will find volume. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is equal to 22 by 7 into r की value is 7 into 7 into 30. We can just cancel out. So you will get 22 into 7 into 30. Overall we can multiply it as 4620 meter square, meter cube है वो, it is cube. Hope this sum is clear. Actually we have to just substitute in the formula and then we can find radius. Radius के बाद height मिल जाएगा, height के बाद we can radius and height we can substitute it volume का formula में. Question number 11. Total surface area of the circular cylinder is 1320. TSA of cylinder is equal to 1320. Out of that, radius is given as 10 centimeter. We have to find height. So it's so simple. इसका formula we will write 2 pi r bracket r plus h is equal to 1320. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 10. So 10 plus h is equal to 1320. We cannot cancel anything, so I can write 220 upon 7 into 10 plus h is equal to 1320. Do not multiply bracket. Instead that this term you can shift on other side. So you will get 10 plus h is equal to 1320. So 220 by 7 will become 7 upon 220. 2 into 2, it's 440. I have done calculation error over here. 22 into 2, 440. So it will become 440. इसको if you will cancel, you will get 440 into 3 za. So 10 plus h is equal to 21. So h is equal to 11 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is 11 centimeter. Next question again same type का है. Total surface area of a cylinder of radius 5 centimeter is 660 centimeter. So TSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r plus h, where TSA is 660, radius is 5, 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 in bracket 5 plus h. We cannot cancel anything, to first solve. 22 into 10 to 20 upon 7 into 5 plus h. So therefore 5 plus h is equal to 660 into 7 upon 220. So cancelling 221 za, 223 za. So you will get 5 plus h is equal to 21. So therefore h is equal to 21 minus 5, which is equal to 16 centimeter. Question number 13. An open cylindrical vessel is to be made from the sheet of metal. Open cylindrical vessel, vessel के नीचे base होता है, okay, open, so it does not have any top. Let us write its information. Find the area of metal required for the vessel if the vessel has the height 35 centimeter and radius 14 centimeter. So if you just draw vessel का side surface is there and base is there. This base, we can just consider this as base and we have side surface area. The side surface is this, green say if I am marking. Top is open, this is open. So we have to make the surface area ka formula. So required area will be side surface, that is 2 pi r h, and area of base. Area of base is what? Pi r square. We only have नीचे वाला base, top is open. Total surface में we used to take top also. That is always for closed vessel. So here we can take out pi r common, 2h plus r. So therefore pi की value I can put as 22/7 into radius is 14 into 2 into h is 35 plus radius is 14. So we can cancel 7 ones are 7 twos are, so it is 44 into 70 plus 14. So 44 into 84. Just multiply 3696 centimeter square. This is the area required. This is the metal ka area required. Question number 14, an important question है, melting and recast. In 10th standard board में mostly recast and melting and recast question comes. Okay, so even in 8th standard your teacher may ask. Here we have to find number of coins. Coins always comes under cylinder because it is a circle with thickness. Coin whose diameter is, let's say, as d1, diameter as 1.5 centimeter, so that can be written as fraction per 3/2 centimeter. So radius will become 3/2 divided by 2, that is 3/4 centimeter. Divide को if you take reciprocal it will become 1/4. और उसकी height h1 I can take as, उसकी thickness is 0.2 centimeter coin की, तो I can take as 0.2 centimeter को I can take 2/10 which is 1/5 centimeter. Everything can be written in the form of fraction. Now this coin is made by melting the cylinder, right, circular cylinder whose height, इसकी height 2 is 10 centimeter and diameter 2 is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter को you can write 9/2 centimeter. तो उसका radius 2 will become 9/2 divided by 2, that is 9/4 centimeter. ठीक है, this much. Now what we will do, we have to find number of coins, so we will write number of coins is always equal to the volume of cylinder melted. Whatever is melted that will be in numerator. Volume of cylinder, it's like a wall में से bricks, how you find, we had done in cuboid में, full wall you have to make with a brick, so we can write number of bricks is equal to volume of wall upon volume of one brick. Here we will write same, volume of cylinder upon volume of one coin. So we can say therefore number of, let me erase this, therefore number of coins is equal to volume of cylinder will be pi r2 square, because radius I had taken as r2 and its height is h2. You can even take r1 h1. Left side में I think so I took r1 h1. You can take r2 h2. That doesn't matter. Coin का r1 square h1. So you can cancel out pi. Now we will write r2 square. R2 is 9/4. I can write 9/4 into 9/4 into height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter. It's here. Upon R1 is over here 3/4 into 3/4 into उसकी height is 1/5. So if you want you can just make it single fraction. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 10 is 8 1 10 upon 16 whole upon 3 3s are 9 upon 16 into 5. So these are the two fractions. So इसको if you want to write you can just write it like this, 810 upon 16 into 16 into 5. Make this reciprocal. इसको reciprocal कर दो, because it's a division. You had learned कि division में से multiplication करने के लिए fraction को we do reciprocal. So that 16 will get cancelled. 9 ones are 9, 90s are 90 into 5, that is 450 coins. Question number 15. Find the curved surface area of a garden roller. Garden roller you had seen, it's like this somewhat. When this roller is moved, this road gets straightened. Okay, it's also used for cricket pitch. Roller को use करते हैं. तो as you roll, one roll is the curved surface area. One roll area covered in one roll is the curved surface area. So first we will write radius is 70 centimeter. उसको we can write as 0.7 meter. Length is height. Its length is this 1.5 meter की length है. So length is 1.5 meter. We have to find how much area it can level in 200 revolution. So area level in one revolution is equal to CSA, is equal to CSA of cylinder. So therefore we can find CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 1.5. Cancelling 7 with 0.7, you will get 0.1. So I can write 22 into 4, 44, 44 into 0.1, that is 4.4 into 1.5. So therefore CSA is equal to 6.6 meter square. This is the area rolled in one revolution. This is for one revolution. Now area leveled in 200 revolution. So we will just multiply it by 200. That is equal to 6.6 into 200. 66 into 2, 132, 1320 meter square. This is the area leveled in 200 revolution. Now 16th question. 16th question is quite similar to this. इसमें we have the diameter of a roller 120 centimeter. So therefore radius of that roller is 60 centimeter, and its length, that is height, is 84 centimeter. If it completes 500 revolution to level playground, find the cost of leveling at a rate of 4.50 per meter square. So first we will find area covered in one revolution. That is equal to CSA of roller. So therefore CSA के लिए we will find 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is I took some the diameter of the roller 120 centimeter wrong. Oh, I wrote wrong information over here. So let us correct. 84 centimeter is the diameter, so 42 centimeter will be the radius, and its height is 120 centimeter. So we can write 42 as radius and 120 centimeter as length. So cancel out 7 ones are 7 6 are, so 44 into 6 into 120, that is 31680 centimeter square. This is the area revolved in one revolution. Now we will find area revolved in 500 revolution, and then we will convert that into the meter square. So area level in 500 revolution is equal to 31680 into 500, and centimeter to meter के लिए we will divide by 100 into 100. We can directly divide and write it into meter square. So 3 zeros will already get cancelled and iska answer will become 1584 meter square. Now we will write cost of leveling is equal to 1584 into 4.50. Just we will multiply cost, that is equal to rupees 7128. This is just a simple question. Whenever they say leveling comes under the curved surface area. If you just roll this roller, so whatever curved surface area is that same area will be leveled on the ground. Question number 17. A swimming pool which is in the cuboid shape. Swimming pool which is in the shape of cuboid whose length is 70 meter, breadth is 44 meter and height is 3 meter. Is filled by water issuing from the pipe. Pipe is in the shape of, see, if you consider this as a swimming pool, I will just explain you with a diagram. If let's say this is a swimming pool and we have tap over it, ऐसा एक cylindrical tap है, it's somewhere water is coming from them, that part water is issuing from somewhere outside. If let's say water is issuing from outside, so whenever water comes, it takes the shape of the cylinder. It will take the shape of that same cylinder. If you just see here, you will get same shape, aisa, same circular shape. When water comes out, this is the pipe ka circular part, and here water ka bhi circular part. It's the same thing. It comes like this, okay, and it falls on the tank. So water will always take the shape of the object. You know, you had learned in science. तो सिलेंडर के लिए we have pipe का diameter of pipe is 35 centimeter, that is equal to 35 by 2, therefore radius is equal to 35 by 2 centimeter. We can write radius also. So therefore radius is equal to 35 by 2 centimeter. Now since every स्विमिंग पूल के लेंथ ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज इन मीटर, तो आई कैन कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में 35 बाय 200 डिवाइडिंग बाय 200 मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं एंड देन कैंसल आउट व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग 7 5 7 जा 540 जा, तो दैट विल गिव यू 7/40 मीटर and its flow of the pipe is 6 meter per second. So we can take it as a length because when water runs, so it is a length covered by the water, that is 6 meter in 1 second. So now we have to find how much time it will take. So we will write time taken is equal to total volume to be filled, that is volume of swimming pool, upon volume of flow of water per second, volume of flow of water per second. एक सेकंड में कितना फ्लो हो रहा है, that volume. So volume of swimming pool will obviously be length into breadth into height. This I can say length 1 because it's a length, it's a flow of water, and volume of flow of water will be in the shape of cylinder, that can be written as pi r square into L1. So now let us substitute values. I don't have that much space. I can write it here. Time taken is equal to length into breadth into height upon pi into r1 r square into l1. So swimming pool की length is 70 into 44 into 3 meter upon 22 by 7 into r is 37 upon 200, sorry, 7 upon 40 into 7 upon 40 into flow is 6 meter per second. So after cancelling out, what you are getting, 22 ones are 22 twos are 7 and 7 will get cancelled, 7 ones are 7 tens are 3 and 2 will get cancelled with 6. So numerator में only 10 is left, so therefore time taken 10 into 4 fours are 40 into 40 is 1600, so that is equal to 16,000 seconds. To convert seconds to hour, what we will do, we will divide by 3600, so 16,000 divided by 3600 hours, cancelling 00, so 160 upon 36, 4 nines are 4 40s are 40 by 9 is 4 by 9 hours. This is an important question, just go through it, but it's very simple. Whenever we have flow of anything, flow, just like we did cuboid में एक sum था, we did river का flow, so whatever in volume and surface area, whatever speed, if you will see now, that is not speed, that is actually a length of the water, length of the flowing object covered in a specific unit. Question 18. How many cubic meter of earth must be dug out to sink a well? Well is in the shape of cylinder whose depth, that is height, is 22.5 meter and diameter is 7 meter, so radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. Sorry, centimeter. You have to also find the cost of plastering the inner surface of the well at a rate of 40 per meter square. So first we have to find volume. Volume, that is how many meter cube of earth. Earth means that mud. Volume of earth dug is equal to volume of well. So well is in the cylinder shape, so we can write volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is pi की value is 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 22.5. 7 cancel, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So after solving, let us write direct answer. So volume is equal to volume of earth dug is equal to 1177 into 22.5, which is equal to 866.25 meter cube. This is the volume dug out upon 2. Now we have to find the cost of plastering the inner surface area at a rate of 40 rupees per meter square. So first we will find CSA of well, that is CSA of cylinder, 2 pi r h, 2 into 22 by 7 into r, radius is 7 by 2 into height is 22.5. So cancelling out, you will get 22 into 22.5. So therefore CSA is equal to 495 meter square. Now we have to find cost of plastering. So I can write cost of plastering is equal to 495 into 40 rupees, that is equal to rupees 198 00. Question 19th. A 20-meter deep well. See here, I will explain you. Here, let us say this is a ground level. Let us mark this as a mud. This is a ground level. Here we have ground. And we are digging up the well. Digging up the well. You are digging the well like this, somewhat. And removing the mud. Removing this mud. Oh, it has gone. Everything has gone. Okay. Removing the mud. This mud is removed and it is placed in the form of embankment. It is placed in the form of, this is a cylinder which is circular shape. Mud from this is placed in the form of platform. Platform is rectangular platform. ऐसा होता है rectangular platform. Somewhere they make a rectangular platform. This is a rectangular platform. If you will see our rectangular platform, we had just put all that mud. This mud has been put into the rectangular platform. So we have to find the height of the platform के how much it has been raised. तो इसकी length breadth we know platform की length is 22 meter, breadth is 14 meter. This is what breadth, this is length, and we have to find height. So here I will write well is 20 meter deep, h is equal to 20 meter, whose diameter is 7 meter. So therefore radius is equal to 7 by 2 meter. And then platform whose length platform is of cuboid shape. If you will see station ka platform is always cuboid. Length is 22 meter, breadth is 14 meter, and you have to find height of the platform. So of course you will say कि volume of well, volume of earth from the well, whatever earth में well था, अभी तो we have water in it. If you will see here, we will be having some water when you dug a well. So we can say volume of earth from well is equal to volume of platform. So volume of earth from the well is pi into r square, that is 22 by 7. Let me write formula first. Pi r square h is equal to length breadth. इसको we can say h1. h1 is the height of the well and h is the height of the platform. We can just differentiate it, lb into h. So we can write 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h1 is the height of the well, that is equal to length 22 meter of the platform, breadth is 14 meter, and height we have to find. So let us cancel 7 7, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So we have to write 22 into 7 into 5. Upon this we can shift in the denominator, that is equal to h. So you can even cancel out 22 22. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So therefore h is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5 meters. So therefore height of the platform is equal to 2.5 meter. Hope you had understood. Whatever earth we are taking out from the well, which is in the shape of cylinder, that is placed as a platform. Platform is cuboid shape, so volume of cylinder equal to volume of cuboid. Question number 21. The earth well 10 meter inside diameter. Diameter is equal to 10 meter, so therefore radius is equal to 5 meter. Has is dug 8.4 meter deep. The H is 8.4 meter deep. It is earth is taken out from it and it is spread around it at a width of 7.5 centimeter from the embankment to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. So this question is a bit confusing. So I will just explain you. Let us take this as the ground level. Okay. We are digging up the well over here. Let us erase some part. This is the well which is dug up. Rest all side we have mud. Let us put mud. This is the ground level. This is the ground level. This is again ground level. Mud from the well has been taken out and spread outside it. Around the well. Around the well means here we had just built up the wall to make it a cylindrical portion, and we had built up another, and this whole mud is spread around it in the form of embankment. If you will see जो भी blue portion है, that I will shade it with blue. This part. This is the mud. Let me do it. This part. Mud is spread over here. Best I can explain this over here is this much only. You have to try to understand this. So if you will see, try to understand it properly. This earth, the earth from the well, इसमें जो भी earth था, is spread over here, is spread in this part, in the form of embankment. Embankment is look like a hollow cylinder. This looks like hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder में what we have inner radius. If you will just note down कि ये वाला जो part है inside, which is the same circular as the well, that is small radius, and this is the big radius. Outside part is the big radius. Just try to understand it properly. Center से this is small and यहाँ तक big radius है. तो thickness of the embankment is 7 point. Thickness means जो भी ये वाला part है. If you just see, I will explain you. This is what thickness, ये वाला part. This is thickness and this is embankment. Let me write embankment. Embankment is always hollow cylinder. Earth from the well is spread in the form of embankment, whose small radius and big radius we can find. Big radius, so embankment I can write, and its height I can write h1. This is the height of the embankment. If you just keep on putting that mud, this level will rise, so I have to find height. At what height it will reach. Embankment, which is hollow cylinder, उसका inside radius is 5 meter. Outside radius के लिए we can just add thickness. Small radius plus thickness plus 7.5. That is 5 plus 7.5. 5 plus 7.5, that is 12.5 meter. और उसकी height h1 we have to find. h1 is the height of the embankment. So therefore volume of well is equal to volume of embankment. So volume of well के लिए we will write pi r square h, and volume of embankment के लिए I had given formula in the first page पे. I had explained volume of embankment is pi h1, this is the height of the embankment, capital R square minus small r square, where capital R square denote radius of outer circle and small r denotes the radius of the inner circle. Radius of the inner circle means it's a circular part of the well, और 7.5 meter की thickness पे there is one more circle. It's like this if you will see from the above well, तो this is the well है अंदर, और फिर mud is spread all around it in the at a thickness of 7.5 meter. So this part is the small radius, which is 5 meter, and if you add 7.5 meter to it, it will become bigger radius. So pi will get cancelled. R square is 5 square into 8.4, which is equal to h1 we have to find, and radius of the bigger circle is 12.5 square minus 5 square. So 25 into 8.4 is equal to h1. इसको you can take a square minus b square की identity. Hope you had learned that a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So that can be written as 12.5 minus 5 and 12.5 plus 5. So here therefore h 2.5 sorry 25 into 8.4 is equal to h1 into 7.5 into 17.5. So therefore h1 can be written as 25 into 8.4 divided by 7.5 into 17.5. Cancel out what you are getting. Just see there, iska decimal and decimal you can cancel. This is 3 so you will get 84 into 17.5 का 10 upon 3 into 175. तो 3 1 3 2 28, 7 के साथ कट करते हैं. Let's cancel with 5. 5 2 5 30, 5 7 4 7, 5 so we will get, it is h1 is 8 by 4 2 8 by 5, that is equal to 1.6 meter. It's just a basic calculation. Once you understood the concept, you have to just put value and solve it to find height of the embankment. Question number 21, same pattern का question है. It's just for practice purpose. The well 14 meter diameter well whose diameter is 14 meter, so therefore radius is 7 meter, is 8 meter deep. So h is equal to 8 meter deep. Embankment, just now I had explained you, embankment is the hollow cylinder whose inner radius is the same as the radius of well, and it has the width of, see the सामने का point, this is 7 meter and outside 21 meter के gap में there is a thickness of 21, so big radius will be 7 plus 21, that is 28. इतना हो गया. So outer radius of will be 7 plus 21, which is 28 meter. We have to find height of the embankment, just we did in the previous part. So we'll write volume of well is equal to volume of embankment. Volume of embankment is hollow cylinder. So volume of well is pi r square h is equal to pi h1 big R square minus small r square. Big R is outside radius, small r is the inside radius, which is the radius of the well. So pi will get cancelled. We will just put all values. R is the radius of the well, that is 7 into 7 into 8, that is equal to h1 we have to find. Capital R square is 28 square minus 7 square. So we can write 7 into 7 into 8, that is equal to h1. We will put a minus b, a plus b ka formula, that is 28 minus 7 into 28 plus 7. So therefore 7 into 7, 49. Let me write 7 into 7 into 8 is equal to h1 into 21 into 35. So therefore height is 7 into 7 into 8 upon 21 into 35. We can cancel out. 7 ones are 7 threes are 7 ones are 7 fives are. So it is 8 upon 15 meter. So this is just a weird number. You will get in recurring. So we can write centimeter. We will convert it into centimeter. So we can write 8 by 15 into 100 centimeter. So 5 threes are 5 20s are. So that is 160 upon 3. That is equal to 53.3 centimeter. In this way you can do. Hope you had understood. Last ke some part here is difficult. Last ke 2-3 questions. So just revise it again. And otherwise this chapter is just based on the formula. Memorize formula. Just put the value in it. Hope you had understood cylinder ka part. Do it properly. This will help you in further higher standard, 10th standard also.